Welcome to my channel. Let's watch homemade texture paste recipe. Add chalk powder, wall putty powder, wood glue or Fevicol. Add some water. Mix it well. Add tiles joint filler. Mix, and mix. Add more and more until you get expected texture. You can add some sand if you want sandy texture. I'm adding more tiles joint filler for a perfect and heavy texture. Remember, mixing is very important for smooth texture. Almost done with the mixing. Let's apply on canvas. Using palette knife for this design. You can use piping bag for different design and patterns. I use this tiles joint filler. Here is the chalk powder look like. Wall putty powder. You can purchase these materials from any hardware shop. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.